Hey guys, welcome on back here to class number 8 of creating your WordPress marketing hub. And we're getting real close here to actually being able to write some content, but we got a little bit more work to do here. And this video we're going to talk about plugins, and probably this one and the next one, because they're a little bit involved, and there's a bunch of them. And plugins are basically our programs, applications that help the functionality of your WordPress. Really help you get done what you want to get done there to make it more effective. So let's take a look at them. What I'm going to do in this video is just basically show you how to find them and then to upload them. And then in the next video, we'll show you how to configure them. Okay, so here, there's tons of them out there, but we're going to look at, let's see here, whoops, we're going to go back here to the first slide, and we're going to look at about, we got about 7 of them here that are pretty essential, and then a few that are optional, and a whole bunch more, of course, you can always look at later. But some of these, this one here is already loaded in automatically by default, Akismet, and we're going to do all-in-one SEO, search engine optimization plugin, a couple of Google ones here, and another one here called MaxBlogPress, which is about pinging and optimizing. We'll talk about that later. And a manager one for your database, and then one for bookmarking. Those are the essential ones we're going to do. These are just some other recommended ones you can do later on. We won't cover those in this video, but one for creating a site map, and another one for dealing with link building, and another one for commenting, discuss for commenting system. Okay, so let's just jump right into it here and see if we can go ahead and start showing you how to do that. Okay, so again, you need to log in to your admin panel, WordPress admin panel. You get to this one here, click on the plugins, and you'll get to this. Let me go ahead and do that. Click on plugins, you'll get to the first screen here. And what you want to do is, you can see here you've got these 2 already loaded. Hello Dolly, that's just a little cute one. You don't need to worry about that. You can delete it or just leave it there. Akismet is one that you'll definitely want to configure. We'll do that on the next one, next video. But click on Add New, and we're going to go hunt for some plugins here. Here's the search box. So go ahead and type in, let's see, let's start with all-in-one. Oops, let's see if I even need to type the whole thing in. Maybe that's enough to find it. Search plugins. Yep, there it is. Okay, all-in-one SEO pack. Click on the Install Now. You sure you want to install it? Okay. Basically, it just installs it right for you. Downloading it, installing, and then just might as well go ahead and activate it right here. You can activate it later as well, but let's just go ahead and click on Activate Plugin. And that's all there is to it. Now there's a little bit of notice that comes up here that it has to be configured. So we're going to do that on the next video. Okay, so let's come on back here again to Add New and search again for the next one. Okay, and basically that's how simple it is, at least for most of them. Now this one here is called WP DB, standing for Database Manager. And let's see if that finds it there. Search plugin. And okay, there it is, WB, they call it backup, but that is the one. Click on Install Now. See how easy that is? Activate plugin. By the way, this little warning here up in red will stay there until you configure that, and then it'll go away. Plugin is activated. Okay, that one's done. Alrighty. And let me scroll down. You can see that they get posted in here. See, there's the all-in-one, and here's the WordPress, the one that we just did there. Okay, so let's go look for the next one. Add New. And we type in here, let's see, what is the next one? Let's grab a couple of the Google ones here. Well, we've got one that's called Google Analytics. Okay. And so let's click on Search Plugins. Okay, now this one, sometimes you'll get this. There's several of them that it brings up. Here's the Google Analyticator, you know, and that rates them. That one's pretty good too. But this is the one we're going to get down here, right here, Google Analytics for WordPress. Click on Install. Okay. This one will need to be configured too. All of them most basically need to be configured. Activate plugin. This one might give us, yeah, see there, it's not active because we need to basically configure it. Okay, we'll do that on the next video, and that takes a little bit more time actually to configure some of these. Some of them are real easy. Okay, so the next one you can see here. Basically, by the way, below this video, I'm going to post a PDF file of these plugins as well as the optional ones that you can simply have the list and download that, and then you'll have the list of them, so you can go ahead and you don't have to be writing these down right now. Another one will be, and maybe I'll make this the last one because this is getting a little bit long here, and it's very simple. You just search for them. Now this one here is kind of cool. It's all about building links inside of your posts, and that's important. Let's see, what is it called? Internal links, I think. Let's try that. Search that plugin, and let's see, did it find it? There it is. Install now. Okay, that one's pretty simple. I don't think there's much configuring for that. Activate plugin. Okay, well, anyways, you get the idea. That's enough of that for now, because what I want to do is there's one more, sexy bookmarks, or you can go ahead and grab that one. But let me go over here to Google. For this one right here, it's a little trickier. MaxBlogPress Ping Optimizer. Type that into your search window here, and do a search on that with Google. You'll come up with it right here. Be number one. Click on that link, and then what you need to do, actually, you need to subscribe to this. This is the author of that, the programmer, and their blog. You need to subscribe here to access it, and you can always unsubscribe, and they have good information anyway. So I recommend go ahead and just do that. Scroll down to the bottom, click on Download Now. This one's a little trickier. You actually have to save it, the file, a zip file, save it to a folder or your desktop. I've got it here in my plugins folder. Save it. Okay, so that's saved as a zip file. Then you have to come back to WordPress and go back to Add New again. And this time you're going to click on this Upload. Okay, because you have to upload it from your own hard drive, and as you upload it as a zip file, it makes it real easy. And here it is, MaxBlogger. Okay, and go ahead and browse for that, and then you can click on Install Now. Okay, there it is, unpacking the zip file, installed it. Now you simply activate plugin, and you're done. Okay, that's all there is to it, folks. It's real simple. Now we need to go in and configure it, but that's a little more involved. So let's leave that for the next video. But go ahead and download that PDF file just below this video and get to work there on getting these essential plugins loaded up before you really get into any writing of content. And then finally, after the next video, we'll be able to get into content. Okay, that's it. Joe Jacobson with video number 8, creating your WordPress marketing hub and plugins. Okay, we'll see you on the next video.